Hello everyone, I am V. Praveen Raghavesh and I am proud to represent our team Quantum Kiddos at Sparkathon, Walmart's global innovation hackathon. Today we are solving a critical challenge faced by retailers worldwide, building trust in retail with cybersecurity. As one of the largest retail giants, Walmart processes billions of transactions and stores petabytes of customer data. But in this digital age, trust is fragile. A single breach can not just only cost revenue, but years of customer loyalty and trust. That's why our team designed a lightweight open source cybersecurity solution focused on threat detection, transparency, and data protection, all running securely on Ubuntu 22.04. In this video, I'll walk you through how our solution works and how it helps retailers like Walmart create safer, more trusted customer experiences. So, why does cybersecurity matter so much in retail? Think about this. In today's connected world, retailers like Walmart aren't just selling products, they're managing digital relationships with customers. Every time a user logs in, makes a payment, or adds an item to their cart, they are trusting that their data is safe. But behind the scenes, cyber threats are involving fast phishing, ransomware, API exploits, insider risks, and retail systems are prime targets. In fact, over 60% of retail breaches involve personal or financial information. When customers lose trust, they don't just abandon carts, they abandon brands. That's why cybersecurity is just an IT issue. It's a business priority. And that's exactly what our solution is designed to protect: your reputation, your data, and your customer relationships. Now that we've established the importance of cybersecurity in retail, let's dive into our solution. Our team designed a system with 4 goals in mind: lightweight, transparent, open source, and adaptable. We built a real-time cybersecurity monitoring system paired with a clean web-based trust dashboard. So here how it works. We created a bash script setup security dashboard.sh that automates everything. It installs, configures, and runs all the necessary tools with zero manual effort. The core security tools involved in this are UFW, ClamAV, CHK Rootkit, Linux, and Nmap. Now, the centralized logging in that each tool scan the results are stored in a dedicated directory in a human-readable format. Talking about the interactive UI via Flask, we built a Flask-based dashboard that reads these reports and displays them on a local web server. The admins then monitor real-time firewall status, suspicious ports or connections, the rootkit findings of viruses, system audit score, and recommendations. This entire stack is secure, fast, and intuitive, giving developers, IT teams, or retail managers immediate insights into their system security posture. In short, a solution transformed retail cybersecurity into something visible, actionable, and deeply trustworthy, all from a simple local setup. Let's now break down the technical stack we used to build this cybersecurity solution. Our stack is entirely based on open source, secure, and lightweight technologies optimized to run efficiently on Ubuntu. The operating system Ubuntu 22.04 LTS is used for its security-first architecture, long-term support, and compatibility with most open-source cybersecurity tools. It acts as the foundation of our entire system. The firewall UFW, which is uncomplicated firewall, is used to block unauthorized access to retail systems. We enable it by default, allowing essential services only, like SSH, HTTP, and HTTPS. For threat detection, we've used CHK Rootkit and ClamAV. The CHK Rootkit is used to detect common Linux rootkits, whereas ClamAV is a powerful antivirus engine that scans the system for malware and known exploits. Talking about the security auditing, we have used Linux, which performs deep system audits, checking file permissions, kernel parameters, and authentication systems. And for network monitoring, we have used Nmap and Netstat for helping us list open ports, active services, and network connections. And lastly, for automation and UI, we used a bash script to automate the entire setup and scanning process. For the UI, we chose Flask, a Python micro framework to display security scan results. All these components work together to provide a 360-degree view of the system security posture, detect vulnerabilities, and improve operational transparency, the foundation of trust in retail. Let's take a look at the system's architecture of a solution. We've designed a clean modular setup that aligns with the security and scalability needs of a retail environment. Firstly, at the base, we have our host operating system Ubuntu 22.04, acting as the secure execution layer. On top of that, our automation layer is built using a single bash script. This script installs, configures, and runs all the cybersecurity tools like ClamAV, CHK Rootkit, UFW, Linux, and Netstat. These tools generate output reports which are stored in a folder. Then comes the Flask web server, which acts as the presentation layer. It reads those files and visualizes the system health and threat status through a clean and intuitive dashboard hosted. Finally, the admin or security engineer can access the dashboard via any browser and take proactive actions, like closing a vulnerable port, addressing audit suggestions, or investigating malware alerts. This layered architecture makes the solution simple to deploy, easy to interpret, and highly actionable, which is exactly what you need in a fast paced retail security environment. Now, let me walk you through a live demo of our solution, the Retail Secure AI Dashboard, your command center for real time cybersecurity in retail. We've designed this to be intuitive, powerful, and enterprise ready, just like what a company like Walmart would need. At the top, you can see our system operational status currently at 99.7% uptime, with the dashboard updating live. This gives your retail, IT, and security teams a live pulse of the ecosystem. Let's look at the core stats. Total transactions today over 2.8 million processed with a 12.5% increase from yesterday. Real time insights at scale. Next, fraud prevented. Our AI flagged and blocked 15,847 fraudulent activities just today, saving approximately $2.4 million in potential losses. Trust score currently at 94% computed from multiple dynamic metrics like authentication success, behavior anomalies, and audit scores. Active threats. We've detected 3 live threats, all being mitigated automatically through our AI-driven incident response. Our responses and performances is tightly monitored, like transactions per second holding steady at 1247 TPS. Average response time a low 23 milliseconds for security actions. Fraud detection rate 99.2% with a false positive rate of just 0.3%. This speed and precision are critical in high volume retail environments. Security Technologies panel. Down below you will see the active security engines like AI behavior analysis, which learns and adapts in real time, biometric authentication, which includes facial, fingerprint and voice, quantum encryption for future proof against quantum attacks, blockchain verification, which provides tamper-proof transaction records, and at last zero trust architecture, which ensures every access is verified and always. So, what's the outcome of a solution and why does it matter? Our system empowers retail businesses from global giants like Walmart to small e commerce startups with first, real time visibility into security threats, second, actionable insights from automated audits, third, transparency and accountability to gain customer trust, and fourth, a lightweight open source system deployable in minutes. In a world where customer loyalty is built on trust, our solution turns cybersecurity from an invisible backend process into a visible, measurable experience. With this system, we are not just protecting data, we are protecting brands, reputation, and most importantly, relationships. On behalf of Team Quantum Kiddos, thank you for watching, and we are excited to make retail not only smarter but safer.